Hello everyone, I'm Jeevan, studying in a computer science department, second year of GM University. I have done a project in a technical competency course on a full stack development, and in this video, I'll walk you through a modern and fully responsive e-commerce website I built using a React. It's called a e-commerce store, and it's inspired by Shopify and Amazon. Clean layout, smooth interaction, and packed with the features. Let's dive into it. Uh, E-commerce store is a front-end React project that showcases the fully shopping experience. It includes the product listing, filters, reviews, a cart system, and the responsive layout. Built mobile first, and I have used a modern web tools like React Router, Tailwind CSS, and lazy loading and animations to give it professional and delightful user experience. We have used a tech stack like React with Vite, Tailwind CSS for styling, React Context API for a card state, and we have used tech stack like React with White, Tailwind CSS for styling, React Context API for a card state, React Router for a navigation, CSS transition for animations, lazy loading with a React lazy, and suspense. We have created a VS Code for a e-commerce web page, and let's run that on VS Code. And this is the code, and this is the HTML index HTML, which shows which of the interface of the web page. And let's run this now. npm install for to install the libraries. The npm run their command is to run the library. It's the first link we are. It's dives us into a web page. This is the landing page of the e-commerce store, showcasing the featured products in a clean grid layout. And this is the shop now button. It dives us into our filters of by category, which shows the all categories like electronics, fashion, and furniture. The electronics one shows us the electronic gadgets, and fashion shows us the clothing, and the furniture dives into this. Clicking a product takes you to a product detail page. You can view images in and check the product description and read customer review. One of the any of the items can be added to cart, and cart data is managed globally using the React context. And we have added the smartwatch pro for the cart, and the item will be displayed in the cart. The design is a mobile first and adjusts beautifully across the devices. I used the React Memo lazy loading and minimal re-renders to ensure the fast performance. The subtitle animations are added for hover effects, page transition, and casual slidings. The UI inspired by a modern e-commerce sites, purple to blue gradient backgrounds, clearly typography, card-based layouts with a shadow, and delightful micro interactions. One challenge was managing a state across pages, solved using context. Also, lazy loading helped reduce initial load time. I plan to add a backend integration using a subpass for storing a product data, reviews, and login functionality. Let's briefly take a look at the code behind this project. Let's go to the components used in this web page. The cart TSX manages the displays item added to a user's shopping cart. The footer renders the website's footer with the links and additional info. Header displays the top navigation bar, branding, and cart logo login icons. Homepage represent the main landing. Homepage represent the main landing page layout and the content. Image carousel implements a slide or an image slider for a product or a banner showcase. The product card shows a single product images and names and price in a grid or a list. The product detail displays full detail of the selected products. Product list displays renders a list or a grid of a multiple product cards. The reviews display the user reviews and the rating for a product. Rating for a product. No. And this was our e-commerce store. Thanks for watching my e-commerce store demo. If you like the project, please like the video and subscribe for a more in front-end projects like this. Drop your feedback or suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video.